Greetings, health enthusiasts. Welcome to our latest exploration into the world of wellness. Today, we embark on a journey to unlock the hidden potential of a spice that has adorned kitchens and enchanted palates for centuries: cardamom. From the majestic spice routes of ancient civilizations to the bustling markets of today, cardamom has held a revered place in culinary and medicinal traditions around the globe. Its aromatic allure and rich history span millennia, tracing back to its origins in the lush forests of India and beyond. But our journey doesn't end with mere history lessons. No, we're delving deeper into the potent realm of health benefits that cardamom offers. Join us as we uncover the myriad ways this humble spice can transform not just our dishes, but also our well-being. So, fasten your seatbelts, spice enthusiasts, as we embark on an enlightening odyssey through the health benefits of cardamom. Let's unlock the power of this extraordinary spice together. Before we start, check our partners' offers in the description box if you want to improve your healthy cooking skills while also traveling to amazing destinations. Cardamom, derived from the seeds of plants belonging to the genera Elateria and Amomum, is a highly prized spice renowned for its rich aroma and distinct flavor profile. Originating from the lush forests of India, it has a storied history dating back thousands of years, where it was revered for both culinary and medicinal purposes. Its journey along ancient trade routes spread its influence across the globe, reaching as far as the Middle East, Africa, and Europe. There are several varieties of cardamom, each with its own unique characteristics and applications. Green cardamom, known for its vibrant color and intense aroma, is the most common variety and is widely used in both sweet and savory dishes. Black cardamom, with its smoky and earthy flavor, is popular in Indian and Southeast Asian cuisines, particularly in savory dishes like curries and meat stews. White cardamom, less common but equally aromatic, is favored in Scandinavian baking and confectionery for its milder flavor profile. Cardamom's versatility in the kitchen has led to its widespread popularity in various cuisines worldwide. In Indian cuisine, it features prominently in dishes such as biryanis, masalas, and desserts like kheer and gulab jamun. In Middle Eastern cooking, it adds depth to savory dishes like rice pilafs and meat marinades, as well as sweet treats like baklava and Turkish delight. Scandinavian bakers use cardamom to flavor breads, cakes, and pastries, imparting a unique and aromatic twist to their creations. Its popularity transcends borders, making it a staple in kitchens around the world where its distinctive flavor elevates dishes to new heights of culinary excellence. Cardamom boasts a rich nutritional profile, offering a range of essential nutrients that contribute to overall health and well-being. This aromatic spice is a good source of dietary fiber, which supports digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and aiding in the prevention of constipation. Additionally, cardamom contains a variety of vitamins, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, and riboflavin, vitamin B2, which play crucial roles in immune function, energy metabolism, and the maintenance of healthy skin and vision. Minerals such as potassium, calcium, and magnesium are also present in cardamom, contributing to heart health, bone strength, and muscle function. When comparing the nutritional content across different types of cardamom, variations in nutrient levels may occur, albeit subtle. Generally, green cardamom, being the most commonly consumed variety, tends to have a slightly higher concentration of certain nutrients compared to black or white cardamom. For example, green cardamom typically contains more vitamin C, which is known for its antioxidant properties and immune-boosting effects. However, the differences in nutritional content between the various types of cardamom are relatively minor, and all varieties contribute valuable nutrients to one's diet. Regardless of the specific type, incorporating cardamom into culinary creations can provide a flavorful way to enhance the nutritional quality of meals and snacks while enjoying its aromatic allure. Cardamom has long been cherished for its role in promoting digestive health. Its essential oils, particularly rich in compounds like cineol and limonene, stimulate the secretion of digestive juices, enhancing the breakdown of food and facilitating smooth digestion. This helps alleviate common digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. Additionally, cardamom contains natural carminative properties, which can help soothe the gastrointestinal tract and ease discomfort associated with digestive disturbances, making it a valuable ally for maintaining digestive wellness. Renowned for its potent antimicrobial properties, cardamom serves as a natural guardian of oral hygiene. The essential oils present in cardamom exhibit antibacterial and antifungal effects, which can help combat harmful bacteria responsible for oral infections and dental decay. Furthermore, the refreshing aroma of cardamom contributes to freshening breath, making it a popular addition to mouth fresheners and oral care products. By promoting oral health and hygiene, cardamom plays a vital role in preserving the health and vitality of teeth and gums. Cardamom offers promising benefits for heart health, with research suggesting its potential to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. The high concentration of antioxidants in cardamom, such as flavonoids and phenolic compounds, helps protect against oxidative damage and inflammation, both of which are key contributors to cardiovascular disease. By reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, cardamom supports healthy blood vessel function and may help prevent the buildup of plaque in arteries, thus lowering the risk of heart disease and stroke. In weight management, cardamom showcases its prowess in multiple ways. Firstly, its thermogenic properties may help boost metabolism, increasing the body's calorie-burning potential and aiding in weight loss efforts. Additionally, cardamom's ability to regulate appetite and improve satiety can help curb cravings and prevent overeating, promoting a healthy balance of energy intake and expenditure. By supporting metabolic function and appetite regulation, cardamom emerges as a valuable ally in the journey towards achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Cardamom possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties that offer relief from inflammation and related conditions such as arthritis. The compounds found in cardamom, including cineol and alpha-terpineol, exhibit anti-inflammatory effects by inhibiting the production of pro-inflammatory molecules in the body. This can help alleviate pain, swelling, and stiffness associated with inflammatory conditions, improving mobility, and enhancing overall quality of life. Moreover, cardamom's anti-inflammatory properties may hold promise for managing chronic inflammatory diseases, offering a natural and holistic approach to treatment and symptom relief. Incorporating cardamom into your diet can add a delightful burst of flavor and aroma to your meals and beverages, enhancing both the taste and nutritional profile of your dishes. Here are some creative ways to use cardamom in cooking and beverages. Spice blends. Add ground cardamom to homemade spice blends like garam masala or curry powder for an extra layer of complexity and warmth. Baking. Incorporate cardamom into baked goods such as cookies, cakes, and bread for a fragrant and exotic twist. It pairs particularly well with ingredients like cinnamon, ginger, and citrus. Sauces and marinades. Infuse sauces and marinades with cardamom to impart a subtle, aromatic flavor to dishes like grilled meats, vegetables, or tofu. Rice dishes. Add whole cardamom pods to rice dishes like biryanis or pilafs during cooking to infuse the grains with a delicate fragrance and flavor. Desserts. Use cardamom to flavor desserts like custards, puddings, and ice creams, or sprinkle ground cardamom over fruit salads and yogurt for a simple yet delicious treat. In beverages. Tea and coffee. Brew cardamom pods or ground cardamom with your favorite tea or coffee for a fragrant and invigorating beverage. It pairs beautifully with black tea, chai, and espresso. Smoothies. Add a pinch of ground cardamom to your morning smoothie for a burst of flavor and a hint of spice. It complements fruits like bananas, mangoes, and oranges wonderfully. Infused water. Drop a few whole cardamom pods into a pitcher of water along with other aromatic ingredients like mint, cucumber, and lemon for a refreshing and flavorful hydration option. Here are a few recipes and suggestions for adding cardamom to meals and snacks. Cardamom spiced oatmeal. Stir ground cardamom into your morning oatmeal along with cinnamon, nutmeg, and a drizzle of honey for a comforting and aromatic breakfast. Cardamom-infused quinoa salad. Toss cooked quinoa with diced vegetables, fresh herbs, and a dressing made with olive oil, lemon juice, and ground cardamom for a light and flavorful salad. Cardamom-scented roasted vegetables. Roast a medley of vegetables such as carrots, sweet potatoes, and Brussels sprouts with olive oil, salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of ground cardamom for a savory and aromatic side dish. Cardamom coconut energy balls. Blend dates, nuts, shredded coconut, and a pinch of ground cardamom in a food processor until combined. Roll into balls and refrigerate for a quick and nutritious snack on the go. Cardamom orange yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with segments of fresh orange, granola, and a dusting of ground cardamom for a refreshing and satisfying parfait that's perfect for breakfast or dessert. While cardamom is generally considered safe for consumption in culinary amounts, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects and interactions, particularly when consumed in larger quantities or as a supplement. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions to cardamom, manifesting as skin irritation, itching, or respiratory symptoms. Additionally, excessive consumption of cardamom may lead to digestive discomfort, including nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea, especially in sensitive individuals. Moreover, cardamom may interact with certain medications, particularly blood-thinning medications like anticoagulants or antiplatelet drugs. The compounds in cardamom, such as coumarin and salicylates, may enhance the effects of these medications, increasing the risk of bleeding. Therefore, individuals taking blood thinners should exercise caution and consult with their healthcare provider before incorporating cardamom into their diet or using cardamom supplements. Furthermore, moderation is key, especially for pregnant women and individuals with specific health conditions. While cardamom is generally safe when used in culinary amounts, pregnant women should avoid excessive consumption or high doses of cardamom supplements due to the lack of sufficient safety data. Likewise, individuals with gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, or peptic ulcers may experience worsened symptoms with excessive consumption of spices like cardamom, as it may exacerbate acid reflux or gastric irritation. While cardamom offers numerous health benefits and culinary delights, it's essential to exercise caution and moderation, especially for those with specific health concerns or who are taking certain medications. Consulting with a healthcare provider or qualified professional before making significant changes to your diet or incorporating cardamom supplements can help ensure safe and optimal usage. In summary, we've delved into the fascinating world of cardamom and uncovered its myriad health benefits. From promoting digestive health and oral hygiene to supporting heart health, weight management, and inflammation reduction, cardamom proves itself to be a versatile and potent spice with much to offer. By incorporating cardamom into your daily diet, you can not only elevate the flavor of your meals and beverages but also boost your overall well-being. So, why not embark on a culinary adventure and explore the wonders of cardamom in your own kitchen? Whether you're experimenting with savory dishes, baking delectable treats, or crafting refreshing beverages, there are countless creative ways to incorporate this aromatic spice into your favorite recipes. Start by adding a pinch of ground cardamom to your morning oatmeal, brewing a fragrant cup of cardamom tea, or infusing your favorite curry with its exotic flavor. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. If you found this video informative and inspiring, we encourage you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on health, wellness, and culinary delights. We value your feedback and suggestions, so feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts or ideas for future videos. Stay tuned for our next adventure, where we'll continue to explore the wonders of nature's bounty and unlock the secrets to living a vibrant and fulfilling life. Until next time, happy cooking and stay healthy!